Okay guys, on 29th of July 2022, now you can see that we have our mature plant of sedum bronze, or botanically you can call it as the Graptosedum bronze. Why it is called as bronze? Because its color is just like the bronze metal. So now we will take our cuttings from this mature plant, and then we will plant them in the separate pots. Now we have taken our forceps and our scissor, and both are surgical. Okay, these are not the common one, these are the surgical instruments. Okay, we also plucked one leaf. You can also grow the Graptosedum bronze plant with the help of these seeds, with the help of these leaves. Majority of the succulent, nearly 90% of the succulents can be propagated from the leaves. Okay, now we are going to cut it down. Okay, now we have taken one of our cutting. Okay, now you can see that this is the wounded part, and we must have to place it for some days so that its wound will be healed. A small membrane will come that is called as the callus, and then our cutting will be protected from the root rot, okay, or like fungal rot. So now again we will take one cutting. Okay, now you can see that there are a lot of leaves on the bottom side of the cutting, and we will take all of them, and we will okay, grow certain other plants from these leaves. Okay, now we have taken 3 of our cuttings. We will also take 4th one. Okay, now after we have taken the 4th one, again we will remove the leaves. Now the remaining plant will grow baby on every node. Okay, baby plant on every node. So but I think that it can take around like 5 months. Okay, usually plants used to take a lot of time in order to grow. Okay, on 7th of August 2022, now the healing has been done. Okay, and now we have taken our media, which consists of 50% simple garden soil and 50% sand, as you can see. Now we will take our cuttings which are dried up in callus tower, and this one and this one, and like this. We have also taken 4 of our disposable glasses, and one more thing, that we will mix our what's called as the media. So first you need to mix it out. Mix it thoroughly. Okay, mix it thoroughly, so that why we have added the sand in it, because we want to have certain what's called as the good drainage. Okay, means that this sand prevent the water to for the water absorption. Water do not used to reside if there is sand. If there is sand, okay, water is not going to reside, but the simple garden soil has the capability to store the water. So it is not good for the succulents, because more is the water, more is the chances of fungal infection to the stem and roots of the plants. Okay, now we are going to we are also removing the stones, because there are certain stones in it. One more is that if you want to put stones in the bottom, it is more good. Okay, it is best to put certain stones in the bottom, so that they will help in the drainage of the water from the bottom hole. Okay, now we have filled our media, and it seems to be very soft. Okay, now due to the addition of sand. Sand will make it, okay, a little softer as well. So this is, and this is. Now we are putting media in the third disposable glass. Okay, so you need to put it like this. Okay, so this is our third glass in which we are. And one more thing that you must have to, on the top of the media, all the media must be leveled properly, and there must be a little space on the media. Okay, so this thing. Okay, now these are our 4 of our glasses. Now we need to put them water. So okay, now we will water it out, so that because just putting it in the drying media, it is not good. So you must have to well hydrate the media, and then you need to put your stem cuttings in it. And one more thing, that some people used to put stem first and then use to water. It is not good. Okay, you must have to give water first, and then you need to put your stems. Okay, when we will put water, it will level the media. Okay, we also need to level it, but it will also level the media. Okay, now you can see that how good drainage the media has. Okay, it just used to seep out, it do not used to reside. Okay, now we will level the media with the help of spade, so that we can put our stems properly. Now this thing, and okay, now we are just leveling our media properly. Okay, now our media is leveled up. Okay, now we need to put our stems. And one more thing, that we have removed the lower leaves, because when the lower leaves will get in contact with these moist media, they can like introduce some sort of fungal rot. Okay, yeah, so stem is it's good for the stem to be in contact with the media, but not the leaf. Okay, yeah, so this is okay. Now we have to place them in shade for at least first 10 days, and then we can move it a little bit to the sun. Okay, on 14th of October 2022. Now one of our plant has gone. I don't know where it has gone, but I just found these 3. I have put the green strips on the plant, so that I can recognize them as the results. Okay, now we will take our plant out, and now you can see that there are a lot of leaves, a lot of roots, but still, as the time is concerned, I think that in 2.5 months it is not so much good progress, and maybe it is due to one of the thing, and that is because I have placed them in full shade. Okay, so I think that it is not good. It is not good to place them in shade. It is better to like for first some days you can place it in the shade, and then after you have to move it to the sunlight. Now I have washed the roots, and you can see that there are roots. Okay, and there is a little bit growth, or much more growth on the stem side, but if the roots are concerned, I can't see a good root ball. Now I am also removing the lower leaves, because we can grow certain Graptosedum bronze plant from these leaves, and usually the result is 100%. Okay, so now we are taking our second plant. Okay, and its roots are very delicate and also very thin. Okay, you can see that the root progress is not good. We can't say that our root progress because sometimes even some succulents do used to produce these roots within 10 days. Okay, so they have produced very little roots. Okay, I will again put it in the media, and now this is third one. It also has grown one baby plant. I think that it is from the fallen leaf. Okay, now this has also produced some small roots. Okay, and I think that the major factor which contributes to such poor results is the we can't say very poor, but still it is like 50% result oriented video. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.